There's Ziggy, giving Mummy company. Joe's gone out to get some grub for a barbecue. You come in the garden with Nonna later. Because it's a nice spring Sunday in sunny London. It's Booty. Booty car. Booty. Hi Booty Booty. Beautiful girl. Ziggy. These big paws you have. Is that Joe? There's Joe, Ziggy. You beautiful boy. Love you, Ziggy Bum. Everybody loves Ziggy. You've become all snug the last week or so, haven't you? You don't normally sit on my lap. Is that Joe? Can you hear Joe coming? Where's Joe? Ziggy, where's Joe? Oh, big blue eyes. Little diamond. Kissing. Another little kissing point there. Another little kissing point there. Ziggy's got lots of kissing points, haven't you, Ziggy Bum? Oh, that's not one of them. Just lie up against one of your legs. It's obviously all my bad leg that I can't bend that he wants to lean up again. See?